I'm Harkirat. Currently, I'm working for the University of Worcester as the regional advisor for the South Asia region. Some of the oldest education institutions in the world were set up in the UK. The degrees from the UK are internationally valid and recognized very much in India. Now, the fact is that opportunities are diverse, so that gives more scope for students to explore. We're seeing an interest for psychology, we're seeing an interest for law, social work, global sustainability management. Don't wait till the end because then that immediately restricts your options.
Know what makes the United Kingdom a top choice for Indian students today?
There's a lot of reasons, why United Kingdom is considered to be a top choice for Indian students and international students. I think there's so much of history and heritage in terms of education and its quality. Some of the oldest education institutions in the world actually, were set up in the UK, and quality of education is something that international students really look at. Indian students as well.
So, what are the most popular courses Indian students are choosing for the September 2026 intake, and what are the benefits or advantages of applying it early?
Even in the digital age, they have so much information, and that's making them opt for so many more choices. So whether in areas like AI, artificial intelligence has really grown, data science, cybersecurity is another upcoming area as well. Students also want to explore variety. Now they are really taking off and pursuing their interest. Yeah, like the other part of your question, why should students apply early? I think it gives them a huge advantage, in terms of picking out the right options on time, being prepared with their application journey, getting their applications in on time. Different universities might have different timelines in which they expect applications, courses can be competitive at universities as well. So those courses will start filling up. So the earlier students apply, the more equipped they are to have more choices, and then to be having the enough time to, make informed choices and to go to the right place for which is the best suitable option for themselves.
So, what kinds of scholarships or financial support can Indian students expect from the universities of UK across the UK?
For example, University of Worcester offers scholarships of up to £3,000 as well in terms of international academic merit-based scholarship. Then universities also offer sometimes what is known as an early bird scholarship. So again, like your previous question of why students should apply early, I think this is another reason, if they submit their applications on time, they are able to, secure their finances and proceed on time, they'll be able to get this additional perk.